An incident has come to light in which police personnel from the Old Goa police station were conducting a Nakabandi exercise at Santa Cruz. During the checking, the police randomly stopped a car whose occupant claimed to be an IAS officer and produced his government-issued identity card. Despite this, the police personnel asked the officer to open the vehicle's dicky for inspection. Subsequently, rumors began circulating that SP North Goa Harish Madkaikar had allegedly physically punished the police personnel who had checked the IAS officer's vehicle. To verify the claims, I contacted senior officers of Goa Police to ascertain whether any complaint had been filed by the Old Goa Police personnel against SP North Harish Madkaikar or whether the IAS officer had lodged any complaint alleging harassment by the police personnel. Senior officers confirmed that no such complaint, either written or oral, had been received from the either side. Later, I also contacted SP North Goa Harish Madkaikar for his clarification on this issue. He stated that he came to know about the incident from his staffs and not from the IAS officer. He added that he had received no call or message from that IAS officer concerned. SP Madkaikar further explained that there are standard operating procedures for Nakabandi operations, under which an extensive search of a vehicle is required only if there is something suspicious or if there is a clear violation of traffic rules. He said that there is no need to conduct an extensive search when the occupant produces a genuine identity card and there is nothing suspicious, particularly when the vehicle is carrying a family. After asking about that alleged physical punishment to the police personnel, SP Madkaikar categorically denied rumors that he had punished any police personnel, stating that the claims were completely false. He said that he only called the concerned police personnel to brief them on the SOPs and reprimanded them for not following the prescribed procedure during that incident. A senior police officer of the Goa Police also stated that SOPs have been framed to ensure that genuine persons, family and tourists are not harassed without any reason, and police personnel and officers are expected to strictly follow the law and the prescribed procedures. However, beyond the issue of adherence to the SOPs, the police personnel should be appreciated for performing their duties without being influenced or intimidated by the rank of an IAS officer and for acting as they believed was appropriate at that time. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.